How to manage desktop site on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage desktop site on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here and now click settings and then go down until you find this one, site settings, and click on it. And now go down and you will find here this one, desktop site. Click on it and you can manage it, and that's it. And anyway, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.